Alright guys, if you have this Whirlpool Duet model washer and you can't get the door open, it's stuck. No matter what you do, you pull and it's stuck. And if you checked out my other video and you tried to turn the power off and back on after a few minutes and it's still not opening, here's what you need to do. First, disconnect your power, unplug the machine. Then you're going to need to take out any screws that are on the back panel of that washing machine. Once you take the screws out, this panel's going to kind of pop out. Sometimes it gets caught on this edge. So with the top panel off, you're going to come down here and you can see that door switch. And what you want to do is there's a plastic tab with a circle right there. You want to just reach down there and pull up and open your door at the same time. You might have to have another person open the door for you. Once you do, the door will pop open. You may need to replace that switch, or it can also be the drain pump in the back could be clogged as well. That's what may be causing your door to stay locked that way. But at least you can get your clothes out now.